Now you're shown this object here. We have the plan of it down here, which has an overall length of 60 and overall width of 48. We see here we have an overall height of 35. So this here is our end view and this here is our plan. So we're going to have an isometric representation of this object. You must be able to visualize what it looks like in your isometric drawing to be able to complete this. But it's relatively straightforward as you only have a couple of non-isometric lines in this. The first thing we're going to do there is we're going to set out our isometric scale. So you see there, that's up 45 and this here is 30 degrees. I always measure my measurements out along the 45 line and then I bring them straight down to the 30 line. This is going to give us our accurate scale for the isometric drawing. Now, first thing we're going to do is box it in. So I know the overall height here is 35, but it's not 35, it's the scaled 35. So it's this measurement here on your axis. The overall width here is, or the overall length is 60, and the overall width over here is 48, as we spoke about before. So we're going to box that in, and we're going to put in our detail in after that. Alright? Borgen and Hayes now up the front. I hope you're listening because I told Mr. Walsh he can give you a clip if you're not. Now we're going to put our detail in here at this side. So we know we come up 10 here and that's going to give us one non-isometric line and we're going to join that back to here. Just join in the front there as well, which is out 10 and down 10. If I bring that across to this side, we're going to be able to draw it in there as well. So there we have this side drawn in. And then I just create the mirror image on the other side here. So we've that much done. Now I want to put the detailing in here at the back. So I know I have to measure across here the scale down 18 and then I'm measuring across 12. You carry those down to the ground and you carry them across. Now, how far we come across here is halfway, so it's 30 scale down is how far you come across. You bring those up and we draw those in. Now, to finish off the drawing, we're going to need to draw in our non-isometric lines. So, what we do is we find the two endpoints, which we have here and inside, the same over on the other side. And we come up here halfway, so I'm out 30 or I'm back 30, whichever you choose, and I'll bring this straight across. That's going to find the two endpoints. I have one here, I have one here, so I'm going to join those, and I have another one here and another one out here, so I'm going to join those. And that is our question complete. Now you must also note that you have to put in this line here, and there is never any hidden detail in an isometric drawing, ever. That is how your completed solution should look when you're finished. Now to get up the question, go to Practical Student and get up to 1994 question 3 higher level.